Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Horizon. My name is Dave and today I'm going to show you how to install the fastest 64-bit operating system currently available for the Raspberry Pi 4. To achieve this, I'm going to install Ubuntu Mate with Desktopify. This should result in pretty much the fastest desktop experience for the Raspberry Pi 4. If you're interested in what exactly Desktopify does and has to offer, you can check out the article/info page linked in the description below. But before we get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet and enjoy the tech-related content and tutorials that I create, you're welcome to subscribe. And if you found this video helpful, it would definitely make my day if you'd leave a like. And now let's get started. First of all, you're going to have to download the official Raspberry Pi imager by clicking on the first link in the description below. Then click on download, and once it's finished downloading, simply install it. After that, open it up and go to OS, Ubuntu, and select the 64-bit server for the Raspberry Pi. Then select the microSD card that you'll be flashing it onto. Personally, I'm using a 64GB one. And click on Flash. This is going to take quite some time since the flasher is now downloading the image first and then flashing it onto the microSD card. As soon as it's done flashing, remove the microSD card from your PC and plug it into your Pi. Just give it some time to expand and boot. After that, you'll be asked to log in. The username is Ubuntu and the password is Ubuntu as well. You'll also have the option to change the password, but to do that, you'll have to confirm the current password. Then type in your new password and confirm it. After that, you'll have to clone Desktopify by typing the following command. And hit enter. Then you'll have to navigate to the Desktopify directory by typing cd./Desktopify. Now it's time to install Ubuntu Mate by typing the following command. And hitting enter. This process will take quite a lot of time. Once the installation is finished, reboot the system by typing sudo reboot. Now it should boot into the desktop and you'll be asked to type in the password you created earlier. As you can see, I'm now running the optimized version of Ubuntu Mate 20.04. I'm not sure if you can really see this, but the OS is much snappier now. The menu is a lot smoother and the apps open up a lot quicker as well. If you want to enable hardware acceleration to make the browser and video playback a lot quicker, you can check out an article that I left a link to in the description below. And don't worry, the article is very detailed and the instructions are very straightforward and easy to follow along. But apart from that, that would be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I was able to help you out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see straight to the point tech related videos and tutorials just like this in the future, you're welcome to subscribe. See you in the next one.